How to add a link to Instagram bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add a link to your Instagram bio, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to add a link to your Instagram bio, it's actually quite very simple thing to do. All you have to do is simply launch the Instagram app and you will see this type of interface where you just have to tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen from here. Once you have done this, what you need to do from here is tap on edit profile. Then right here you can see add link. So you can paste the link inside the bio as well, that's not a problem, but if you want to add it separately, tap on add link. If it's the Facebook link, you can select Facebook, or you can select add external link. You can simply enter the URL of the link over here. Then you can also go ahead and then basically go ahead and then add the title, and this way you'll be able to add link to Instagram bio. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.